Hey, I'm Corey with CompanyCam. Let's talk about our AI trial. This is your chance to go totally hands-free. No more stopping to type. Just keep snapping and chatting and let our AI features do the rest. It's like having a personal assistant right in your phone. This limited free trial includes our 2 new AI features, AI Note and Quick Caption. With AI Note, it's easier than ever to capture what you're seeing at your job sites. Talk while you take photos, and AI will write and format your notes for you automatically. Let me show you how this works.
Okay, I'm out here on CompanyCam's roof doing a quick site inspection. We need to make sure to cover these seams. When we tarp this down, there's a little bit of water damage. These vents up here on the roof, we also need to make sure that we keep in mind. Let's make sure when we tarp around this exit hatch that we don't cover it up. The southeast corner here still has some water damage. Let's make sure that we take that into account.
Quick Caption is located right in the camera and allows you to dictate your photo descriptions using only your voice. I'll show you how this one works too.
The vent is in good condition. We don't need to replace it. Replace the clamp on this hose.
Quick Caption photos can even be used to quickly create a report on the fly. With these 2 AI features, your workflow will be better than ever before. Eliminate typos, take notes that impress everyone, and unlock simple communication, whether you're out in the field or in the office. We're far from done with AI. Stay tuned for more AI additions to the app in the future. The AI trial is available to all CompanyCam Pro and Premium users. Try it out in your account today.